This is the elevator here at the Kohler Design Center in Kohler, Wisconsin. Take a look at this. We have a 1985 Dover traditional elevator to ride. It's got an M. It's the door closed. Here we go. Here at the mezzanine. Let's go down to lower level. I think that chime was replaced with an innovation. Yeah, that's a replaced chime by innovation there. Get a cab view. Wait, I don't think that's innovation. I might be wrong. But I know that chime was replaced. It's a basic cab, actually. I think it's pretty decent. Still not bad though. There's the rear door there. Indicator. Newer traditional buttons. 3,500 pound capacity. 988 phone. Let's do them a ride. I'm gonna show you something on the mezzanine. Slow door closes. See, once you once you exit the elevator from the mezzanine, you walk into the showroom where they have like a sink and a stove. This is really cool. Definitely something for a nice house. Let's go back down. I like the door on the mezzanine too. That's really cool. Yeah, not a bad elevator for a Dover traditional. This is actually really cool. This is actually a really good elevator for a mid-80s Dover. And the rear door is staff only, so you see that, obviously you see that key switch on 1R. Here at lower level, which apparently says there's only one L. Ring the bell. There it goes. Door closes that quick, wow. And that'll be it. The interlock's a little bit slow.